there are different challenges that Team Brasil faces when we want to develop M2M plans or services for corporate customers. M2M plan should be developed with a lot of restrictions. It's the other way around when you do consumer services or plans or promotions. When you develop a consumer product, you want to give the consumer everything that they may pay for. But M2M is a very specific application, and we need to develop a plan that has a lot of restrictions, which, as strange as it may sound, it's more difficult than building a all-you-can-eat plan. So we need to apply restrictions for voice usage, for value-added service usage, and because the M2M customer doesn't want their employee to use a SIM card to make personal phone calls or to download music. So we need to restrict all this kind of usage. And another challenge is to integrate this plan on a corporate end-to-end process that requires integration with corporate front-end systems, sales systems, customer care systems. So everything that regarding corporate is more difficult. So we require more time to specify, more time to develop, and more time to test. But as the industry evolves, we need to develop this expertise on this field. Well, there are different business opportunities coming from very different sectors, industry sectors. The first one that comes to one's mind is the car industry. That was actually the first one that started with the M2M applications like telemetry, fleet control. But as all the machines become intelligent, most of all industry will require some kind of wireless integration, wireless communications. So medical applications to basic management kind of applications will require wireless communication from branches to headquarters. So we will see M2M used in very different kind of industry sectors. Well, we work with Orga Systems to deploy M2M as well as other type of service plans. But when it comes to M2M applications, it's a very different implementation. An M2M service, it should be very restricted in terms of usage. The M2M customer, which is a big or a small corporation, they don't want surprise on their monthly bills. And the application should be customizable, reliable, and scalable. And as we are talking about corporate applications, it should be developed in a way that we could provision to corporate large scales customer bases. So it should be easy to provision and should be easy to customize. And of course, reliable and scalable.